Hey, what's happening, everyone? Today is October the 13th, 2021. This is going to be our Litecoin price prediction. You guys can understand it's been like a decade ago since Litecoin started trading, and we want to know if this particular cryptocurrency is a safe bet. I mean, can we still expect Litecoin to continue to give us the returns, the upward progressional movement in price in the next 10 years? I mean, can we expect this market to continue to be that silver compared to Bitcoin's gold? We want to take a look at the price chart to see if we could get that answer. So I want to say welcome to each and every one of you. If today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, you all appreciate how someone is here giving you their predictions as to where price is going to go. Hit me up, tap in with me, and make sure you follow me. Hit the like button, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because you definitely will want to be updated of whenever we do our price predictions for these cryptocurrencies that we cover on this channel. All right, so now first, before we see whether or not Litecoin is a safe bet based off the price chart, we're not going to look at any articles. We're not going to look at someone else's opinion. We're not going to talk about technical indicators, none of that. We're just going to simply look at the price, because the price is actually the consensus, the ballpark to where everyone congregates and put their ideas in the market. So all we had to do is dissect what's going on with the price, with the volume, to get an understanding as to where price is going to go in the future. Right? Yeah, believe that. That's all you need. You need nothing else, nothing more, nothing complicated, nothing complex, just to understand where price is going to go. Let me show you. Check this out. You guys can see it right here. September the 14th, we did a price prediction in Litecoin. We told everyone on that particular day, expect the price in Litecoin to go down. Now look at it. Did it go down? It sure did. We expected a market in Litecoin to go down. Not only did the price go down, I want you all to take a look where we said it was going to go before we saw the market come back up in price. Yes, right there around $145. Now, actually, the market came a little bit lower to like 140, but come on, give me the credit, right? The market came pretty close to where we said it's going to try to find that support. It did. Price went back up, and now, do you see what price is doing now? The price is coming right back down. So we got to talk about this. We got to see whether or not can Litecoin continue to break above 180, or are we going to continue to see this market go down? So let me get rid of this. I definitely want to say congratulations to you if you was able to eat off this last price prediction of about 18.86%. This is how you're able to get in and get out the market scathed with your profitability, while everyone else out there is simply waiting, holding the bag, waiting for Litecoin to hit up there towards $300, $400 again, because that is where they last bought their Litecoin, right? Let's not forget, people are still here in this market in Litecoin who bought in May when price in Litecoin was around $380. They're still holding the bag. They're still literally waiting for the market price in Litecoin to go back up to that particular point and at least break even. Let me get rid of this and let me show you how high this market in Litecoin would have to increase just so that they can break even. Okay, check this out. So the market in Litecoin would have to increase 132% from the high that occurred right here on May the 12th, 2021. 132%. The market in Litecoin is going to have to go up. Do you know how long that could be before the market price in Litecoin gets back up there to around $400? Wow, that's going to be a while holding that bag. So now let's check this out. I wanted to show you something that I've noticed on the chart in Litecoin that you're not going to get anywhere else. I'm going to keep it real. We got to keep it realistic. We got to give it information based off what the price is giving us. If the market is giving us weakness, guess what? I'm going to tell you that the price is weak. If the market is giving us strength, guess what? I'm going to tell you that the market is giving us strength. So if you guys don't want the truth, then maybe you might need to go and watch another video. All right, so check this out. One reason as to why I'm seeing this weakness in Litecoin continues because of this reason right here. Do you see that? This is where the market in Litecoin was getting rejected. This is the problem right here. This is a problem in the market in Litecoin. Right there around $185. That is plaguing the price movement of Litecoin going up. We're having problems. We're having issues right there. So you know what that means. Don't expect the price of Litecoin to go up until we see this market break that horizontal line of like 185, maybe around like 190, give or take. Right? right there. So pretty much already we could get a gist as to what is holding back Litecoin's price. $185. Now, from a transactional perspective, the market in Litecoin cannot break 185 because there's more sellers at that price level, meaning that every time the market tries to break up above it, the market gets walloped with a whole lot of selling and price comes back down because there's not enough interest. There's not enough demand to continue to push up the price past 185. It is what it is. The chart is not telling us any lies. It's telling us the truth. And until we see the price in Litecoin break above 185, guess what? Don't expect the market to go up. Plain and simple. And look how many times the market in Litecoin has had the opportunity, though, to see it go up above 185. Look at all these trading days right here, right? Look at all these days that the market in Litecoin tried to break above 185 and it fell. Now, there was a couple of days to where we saw the market price trade above it briefly, but we came right back down. So it kind of tells us that those were not real moves, that there was false moves. It was opportunities for the market to sell right before the price went back down to 185. Let's take a look at the market in Litecoin on the 3-day then. Let's see what's going on a different time frame. Check this out. Look at this last completed 3-day price bar. So again, the market is not ready to go up yet. Now, I'm not telling you that the price is going to collapse or the market is going to go down. I'm not telling you that. It's just telling us that it's taking a brief break. Okay. So right now, I'm not expecting the price in Litecoin to go up. 5-day time frame. Can you all see that? The market price in Litecoin is still showing us rejection at 185. And again, the last time we saw the market in Litecoin try to break above 185, you guys saw we came all the way back down to 140. So in order for us to really see the strength, like I told you, the market is taking a break right now, okay, of going up. So as we see this price come back down, guess what? My eyes is going to be trying to pay attention to see whether or not we grab support right here. I'm telling you, right here is going to be the spot, the location to where we would get confirmation of us going back up and trying to break above 185 throughout October, even into November. Right here, we cannot see the price in Litecoin come down to 100 or at least break below $160. If we break below $160, then we might as well cancel the market hitting 185 and try to break above it. Okay. So as I do this price prediction, keep your eyes open on 160. If we get strength at 160 in Litecoin as we're coming down and the market props up the price at 160, we're going to try to come back up to 185 and try to break it the next go around to the upside in price. Okay. So let's see how it ended out last week, because last week was pretty much of a wash. We saw increase in volume in Litecoin, very small spread, right? Very small spread. Look at all that volume that came in last week. And we still saw rejection. So this current weekly price bar is going to be the major determining factor of us knowing where we're going to go. So we still have 4 days and 15 hours left. And if we're not able to break above 185 by the end of this week and we close lower than the previous close of last week, guess what? Yeah, we're going to continue to drop in price. I'm just playing it out for you. I'm just giving you all the play. This is my expectations, my price prediction as to what I'm looking forward to into the market in Litecoin. Now, of course, you all might see something totally different though, which is great, which is why I give you all the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with me. So let me give you my price prediction, okay? Because I'm looking for the market price in Litecoin to go down. I am initially, but look, I already told you, I'm going to be paying attention to see whether or not price is able to hold up itself around $160 right there. Okay. So wait, right before the market is to reverse course of going down to going up, I want to be prepared for us to eat right there at 160. So that will give us around 5.4% profitability in the market right there. Now, like I said, depending on how we end on this current weekly price bar that I've shown you on the previous screen, we can see this price in Litecoin. Let me show you. Come all the way back down to here, which is about 13% movement to the downside. Okay. That takes us to about $145. $145. Okay. Is where we can see this price in Litecoin move towards. So we have two areas. We got a 160, like 161 as our first area of TP. And then the second area in the market in Litecoin would be like $155. That's the second area for us to eat out the market, and then ultimately 145. Those are the three areas for us to be paying attention to see the market come in and prop up the price. That's it. I'm done. Easy, simple, nothing complicated. We didn't talk about no exponential moving averages, no simple moving averages, no 200-day crossing over the 50-day, nothing like that. No Fibonacci retracements, no stochastics, no RSIs, none of that garbage. All you need to do is pay attention to the chart. Look at the price, look at the volume to get an understanding as to what the market's going to do. And I'm telling you, until we see this price in Litecoin break above 185, these are the only two things that I'm expecting. Either we're going to do this, continue to trade sideways, or price is going to go down. Those are the only two options we got on the table right now until we see this market break 185 to the upside. That is the problem. That is the issue that this market currently is trying to break. So now I want to know, call the markets right alongside with me. Let me know, what do you all expect the market to do in Litecoin over the next 3 weeks going into November? Where will price be? This is my price prediction. I want to know what you think. I mean, what are you noticing? What are you expecting the market to do in Litecoin over the next 3 weeks? So hit me up, drop me a comment so I can read them, so I can see your expectations, so we can kind of gauge what the market is actually thinking. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.